Now I'm going to take a look at some polygons I can create with these congruent segments. And I'm just going to use A, B, C, and D as vertices of my polygon, which means I'm going to be making a quadrilateral. How can you make a polygon? Well, there's this nice little tool here called polygons. It looks like a triangle. Don't worry, it can have more than 3 sides. So go ahead and click on that. And I'm going to use these initially as the 2 opposite sides to my quadrilateral. So my quadrilateral is A, B, D, C. Okay, what I'd like you to do is to go ahead and play with it. You can move points A and B. See how C and D is shortening as AB shortens? So the opposite sides of this quadrilateral are always congruent. So I want you to figure out what are the different types of quadrilaterals you think you could make when opposite sides are congruent. But does having opposite sides congruent guarantee that you have a certain type of quadrilateral? I think you can see the answer here that that may or may not be the case. Then the other thing I think I'd like you to explore, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this. I can either just hide it like I just did, clicking here, or I can actually delete it. So I'm going to go ahead and show it, and then right click and hit delete, and that quadrilateral is gone. The other way I'd like you to explore these segments is to determine if you use them as diagonals instead of sides. So you make them so they cross, and then go ahead and connect your points and see what kind of quadrilaterals you'll make that have congruent diagonals. Go ahead and move the points, stretch them around, find out what you get.